Hi, I'm with Buz Stop Boys. They're doing charity work at Achimota, Kingsley Runabout. Just stopped over here, just trying to show appreciation, clean the area, and that's the CEO over there. Yeah, this is the director of Buz Stop Boys, and you can see we have his workers behind him, they're all toiling right under the bridge.
My name is Buz Stop Boys. And then what we are doing is also we are saying that as you in the next 20-30 years, whatever the nature of our country will be, we will face the hardship. Even the streets, we also enjoy the streets. So now that there is problem, let's put ourselves together, let's come together, let's talk about what we get and what we don't get. In the end, our generation will pass and another step will come. So let's put our weight behind the little that we can. Let's make the country
Exactly.
not for ourselves, for the next generation. Just like they did before us.
Thank you
Let's
very
also
much.
hand over a nice and a sustainable environment. And that is all about us.
Okay, and how long have you been doing this?
July will be exactly 1 year.
Oh, July will be exactly 1 year. Okay, so how do you find, because Accra is littered with so many places, so how do you find a spot to go? Like, do they call you or do you choose a place to go every week? How do you find your spot?
Okay, some people do call us and say that every place or pictures a dirty place. And then as part of what we also do, everybody here, the stars, as you are going home, monitor the environment. Any place that is dirty, just send a picture of the video to the popular and go around and clean.
So, are these people that you work with, are they all volunteers?
Yes, everybody here.
Okay.
I believe everybody here, yes, Ghana can work when all of us put our weight behind, making sure that everything that has to do with the well-being of Ghana must be a concern for all of us.
Absolutely. So, how long is this? Like, how long have you been here? Have you been here since morning, and why are you here till?
We came here at 7 a.m. But I said we started. I understand they want to do car park. So specifically for this week, the guy who contacted us, he told him, yes, we are volunteers, that because he's going to use for a car park, they are not going to work in the name of volunteers. You must give everybody his benefit. So specifically for this one, and there's also another way of sustaining ourselves. We are always saying that we have to sacrifice the people to do it, and I think because transportation and housing is another cost. Ghanaians begin to give us business, do the business, make your money, and then we take that money to of course, the activities of our volunteering is very important. Talking about throwing the trash alone, away alone is very expensive. Going forward, we are also seeing that we have business, all on us, we have a business, charge, do it, and that's it. Because some of them are not working, some are working, some are out of NSS, they have no jobs. So these people can also make things meet.
Okay, so how do they reach you? How does my channel African Splash? How do they reach you?
Okay, we are on all social media platforms from Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. And then we also have the number 0546 443747. 0546 443747.
Thank you guys here today for being with me, and let's keep these guys going.